Let me show you how to make the perfect peppered turkey. Hi, you are welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make peppered turkey. Let's get started. The turkey has already been washed thoroughly. To marinate the turkey, we are going to be using this garlic, ginger and onion powder from Kivo. You can add a generous amount of that to your turkey because it has no salt, no preservatives and no MSG. It's just 100% natural. Let's introduce white pepper, chicken seasoning, and also some salt. It's pepper turkey for a reason, so try to introduce some powdered pepper just like this. Now add some water and mix until all the turkey is coated with the seasoning. Now keep it in the refrigerator for about an hour before steaming. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to support this amazing community. Do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. After marinating your chicken for about an hour or even overnight, next is to steam. Add a little water and steam this. Cover this and let it simmer for few minutes. Turn it or stir alternatively until it's well cooked. And then the next step or the next thing to do is to fry. Okay, you want to fry this until golden brown. I did not show this in the video, I couldn't capture it. So the next step is to fry until golden brown. Now let's move on to making our peppered sauce. Also, just note that if you don't steam it, you can as well put it in the oven after marinating for some time. Yes, it's okay to do it that way. Maybe on an air fryer, maybe you do not want all the oil and all of that. So after marinating for an hour, you can just put it in the air fryer or an oven. Yes, before you go ahead to do your sauce. To make the peppered sauce, go into the pot with some oil, some chopped onions, and also introduce your Kivo Curry Plus. Okay, this has 16 grounded spices. Okay, so they are your favorite spices. Put that in the oil, let it simmer for few minutes so it can infuse properly into the oil, and you go in with your roughly blended tomato and onion mix. Yes, roughly blended. Mix this and let it also simmer for few minutes before you go ahead to add your favorite things. But with this curry plus, just know that you do not have to add any other spices to it because it has 16 good spices. Okay, so you do not have to add any spices to it. The next is to add salt and Maggie if that is what you prefer, because they are natural and they do not have any salt, any preservatives, no additives. Okay, they are just 100% natural. Stir this and let it also simmer for a few minutes before you go in with your turkey. Once again, if today is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like, share your thoughts, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And next is to click on that bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any videos I'll post in the future. If you are a returning subscriber, share your thoughts in the comments. Also like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Yes, do well to subscribe, and then you can add any vegetable of your choice at this stage. Okay, add any vegetable of your choice, let it simmer for few minutes, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy this with some fried yam, some rice, and many more. Thank you so much for watching.